Hello Phantom users, my name is Seb. We're going to dive into this quick little tutorial to work out how we can mint a token on the Solana network using the Phantom wallet. So here I am at bitspawn.io and I'm going to try and mint this token. I have no idea what this token is. Someone just asked me, how do I mint a token? We jump into our Phantom wallet. Now if you're new to all of this and you don't even know what minting is, basically what it is, in this wallet we have Solana. If we want to add any other token, we have to pay a small amount of Solana to that in order to add that to our wallet, add it to our address. That's what minting is, and making it really, really basic. Now, if I click on receive, I can type in spawn and it comes up, or I can just type in bitspawn. If it comes up, we cannot mint it the traditional way for a brand new token. The traditional way is clicking on the plus button, and this is where we'd add a mint address, the name, and the symbol. And that's only true of like a really, really new project. You might be in Discord and they might say, mint this here, go ahead, do that. Maybe there'll be an airdrop or something like that. If it's already on the Solana blockchain and it's already known by Solana Labs, then we won't be able to do this. One way to check is if we jump onto SolScan, we can just literally, this is an Explorer by the way, we can just type in bitspawn. Now if it comes up here, then that basically means that the Solana Explorer knows about it, the Solana blockchain knows about it, and Phantom pulls all the information from there. So it's going to automatically show in the wallet. So as we can see the bitspawn token here, all we need to do is come and click on the token address and copy it. Then we can go over to Soltricks.io. This is a dApp or a decentralized app. So anything that you do here, it's all subjected to their code. There may be risks in the smart contract, so only use it if you trust it. I'm going to connect my wallet and just click connect. Then I'm going to click on add some tricks and I'm going to click create account. This is my wallet address, as we can verify just here. And underneath I've pasted in the mint address for bitspawn token. As we can see, token address, same thing. Then click enter and then click send and then click approve. Transaction success. So now all we need to do is we can go and have a look at our own wallet on the Explorer. So jump into Phantom here, copy this, paste it, and search it. Now when we come here, all we need to click on is token accounts. Here you can see I've got a couple of tokens here. I've got bitspawn token, and this is now here. Now when we do this minting transaction, it costs a little bit of Solana. The amount of Solana is this amount. So 0.00203, etc., which is currently about 31 cents. You can claim that back in the future if you need to. There's a few steps in that though. So that's the first option, using Soltricks. The other option is simply to buy some. This is a new wallet. I'm just going to copy this, jump into the Explorer, paste it in, and we're going to have a look and see if there are any other token accounts. There's no token accounts. All I have in here is a little bit of Solana. Now remember, you must have Solana in your account in order to actually create a new token account. So the other option, as I mentioned, is just to buy a little bit. So if we go to bitspawn.io, it says you can get spawn on Raydium, or you can get it on Uniswap. Uniswap's on Ethereum, so we're going to go and click on this link, and this will open up Raydium Swap. Our wallet's already connected. You may have to connect it. And then this will open up. This is a permissionless pool, and that basically means that people have gone ahead and they've added different tokens to Raydium, but it's not official Raydium tokens. I understand, and then up to you whether you can tick that. Now let's just see if we can do it with Sol. We might not be able to do it with Sol. That seems like it's all okay. Now we could do something exceptionally small, like, I don't know, 0.01 or even less, something really, really small. We could click on swap and then click approve, and this transaction will go through and this will mint it on chain. We've also got a little bit of spawn, but all we've spent is just a couple of cents. Now we jump into SolScan, give this a refresh, let the transaction actually go through, of course. Click on token accounts, and you can see bitspawn token, 11 cents worth. You may be happy to do it this way and maybe spend 5 cents or thereabouts. It might be a little bit easier. That's all there is to minting a token. Super, super easy. If you have any questions, leave them below Also leave a like and subscribe if you found any value in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Cheers.